Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this delicious tortellini salad. It's tossed in a pesto sauce and it's so delicious. Let's get started. We're gonna get started by just boiling some water for our tortellini. Once our water is boiling, I like to add a little bit of olive oil and salt to that pasta water, and then we're gonna carefully add in our tortellini. We want to cook these until they're al dente. Just look at your package and determine what that's going to be. This says 7 minutes on mine. They all cook a little bit differently, but we do want them nice and al dente. Once my tortellini is cooked al dente, I'm going to go ahead and strain it. And we're gonna allow these to cool for about 10 minutes before we mix it in with all the rest of our ingredients. Once our pasta is cooled off a little bit, we are gonna empty it into a bowl and make sure that it's really drained. We don't want a lot of extra wetness in here. Yum. Next, we're gonna add in some sweet peppers. You can use red peppers here too, that's totally fine. We've got some yellow onion, 1 can of drained artichoke hearts, and those are quartered. We've got Kalamata olives, cucumber, some salami, and we have a 1/2 cup of my homemade basil pesto sauce. You can use store-bought here too. You don't have to make it homemade, but it is really, really easy. We're gonna pour all that in. And we're just gonna give this a nice stir. Now we're gonna refrigerate this for about 30 minutes to an hour before serving. Okay, and then once that's refrigerated for a 1/2 hour to an hour, I like to add in some Parmesan cheese. I love cheese, so I always add a little extra. This is just a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese that I've shredded up. And you can also always just add that, like a little bit of it to each serving, which is delicious too. But that's it, you guys. This is gonna be so good. I'm gonna make this for Memorial Day this weekend, and I think everybody's gonna absolutely love it. It's nice and colorful, and it's very summery. That's it, you guys. We are all done with this easy tortellini pasta salad. It's so yummy. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make it. It is so good. I promise everyone will love it. This is a great recipe to prep ahead and serve for those parties for Memorial Day weekend. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.